All right, if you're keeping score and doing the book, I'll just go over a few things that you need to know to be able to do this. So before the game starts, make sure you get all the players' numbers. I'm not so much worried, we don't really care about the names as much, but at least the numbers for each team of the players. And then as the game goes on, if a player scores a point, a 2-point basket, in the first quarter you would write a 2 here, and then you would keep a running score in the scorebook. So the most important things to remember when you're keeping score is keep track of the actual score, so with the running score and with the players that score the points, and then keeping track of personal fouls to make sure we're
someone is fouling out.
Yeah, so there's after 5 fouls they're fouled out. So personal fouls are in this box with P1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if a foul is called on number 7, you would just put a slash through this box. So you can see in this instance, number 7 had 2 personal fouls for the game, and you keep track of that for the entire duration of the game. So same thing goes with points. You can see this number 14 made 2 2-point baskets. So that's what's reflected here, and then as they score again, you're keeping a tally of the running score. In this instance, they kept track of the quarters played. I would say that that's not really necessary to keep track of, but certainly something that you can if you want. The other thing to keep track of is, and it's different for different scorebooks, but keeping track of a score after each quarter. So you can see they scored 21 points in the first quarter in this game. So make sure at the end of the quarter, you tally up in total the points, which again, for the first quarter should match what your running score is. That'll change at the end of the second quarter, which is shown here as the first half score. So just keeping track of those and make sure that the scoreboard matches the book. The book is the official record that we're going by, so this has to be accurate.
Timeouts.
Yeah, timeouts are maintained down here. You can see they had a 30-second timeout, and F is a full timeout, which is a minute. Keep track of team fouls. They actually changed the rule this year, so now it's team fouls per quarter, or per quarter. And on the 5th team foul, a team foul is essentially counting up the number of personal fouls for the quarter. So if this team would have had 4 personal fouls in the first quarter, on the 5th foul that they make, then the other team gets to shoot a 1-and-1.
And this is only for our team, correct? You're not doing this for the other team. You're only keeping track of this for St. Mary's.
No. This is the official scorebook. If you're doing the book for the game, you have to keep track of both teams.
Oh. Okay.
So yeah, you'll have to keep track of this for both the home and visiting team. So make sure you write it when you fill out your scorebook that you keep the home team and the visiting team. I like to keep it on whichever bench that they're on because it makes it easy to remember. But definitely you don't want to have one team on one page and have to keep flipping back and forth. So always try to keep it on the book open, and you can go to both teams easily. It makes it much easier.
All right. Thank you.